Let me tell you a little bit of my story.
My name is Preston Tippin.
My name is Hasmeen Tresky.
My name is Jacob Veltiera. I am Ojibwe from the Red Lake Nation.
I had compassion for people, but I didn't really understand what to do with that.
And I remember feeling defenseless, powerless.
It was like someone had given me permission to be me.
I was coming to a realization that my lived experience were different than many of the people that I was engaging in conversation with.
I realized that I lacked empathy with what the community was facing.
Racism didn't end when we closed Native boarding schools. It didn't stop when we fought the Civil War. It continues to this day because it has left behind residue in all of us.
When you hear the term residue, you may immediately think of something left over, and that's what we mean. What is left over inside all of us from experiences or stories of racism.
Like a virus, racial residue doesn't naturally end. Its ending has to be intentional. And working in our residue is where the power of transformation is found. The power to remove racial residue in ourselves and others. And the power to rid our society of racism in a way that no war, no humanitarian act, and no law can fully or permanently accomplish. And those are the spaces that the R3 workshop creates.
Looking back, I realized that residue started forming from a young age.
I realized I've got to do something about this. There's some residue that's still lingering.
And it was really a wake-up call for me.
And I needed that healing.
I want to continue on a journey of leaning in so that I can continue the work of removing the blinders that I have.
We want to educate people so that we don't repeat the mistakes of the past.
The story doesn't start here. Present-day stories are often an echo of the past, and the past helps us to hear and empathize as we then listen to their stories of racial residue.